important to have good diet when hiking big mountain. Don't know why Chinese, but it seems to work. So as well as beer, when we get to civilization, we have lettuce. Lettuce is good. Also banana. Banana is good, but banana is heavy. Don't take up to mountain. What you take to mountain is Tok biscuits. Very light and very nutritious with cheese. This is daytime snack pack. In here we have half bag of pasta. Don't know why. We have some olives in water. I've been carrying these for 3 fucking days. They are heavy. And we also have something that's squashed, not sure. Some cheese. Tok biscuit. Bag of marijuana? No. Cocaine? No. Milk powder. Also, M&M. Essential hiking snack. Okay, time for more beer. Goodbye.